Now, when we say ungrouped data, ungrouped data meaning these are your raw data. Okay, so ungrouped data are raw data. Data uh, obtained as it is. So there's no grouping whatsoever. Okay, so we gather our data as it is. Now, the three measures of description for ungrouped data is the mean. First is the mean, or this is also known as the average. Now, your average is obtained by dividing the sum by the total number of items. So if you have 15 observations, 15 data, you add all this information and then you divide it by 15. Okay, so that is the sum of all x divided by n. Median, on the other hand, the second one is the median. This is also known as the middle value. Okay, and the third one is the mode. Mode is the value that appears most frequently, or the data with the highest number of occurrence is your mode. So the keyword here is most frequently. Okay, so the mean, median, and mode. So these are the three things that is very important we need to find given any set of data. Okay, let's take a look at an example. Let us find the mean, median, and mode of the following scores. So we have 20, 70, 50, 30, 35, 75, 15, 30, and 45. So this data is an example of ungrouped data, raw data. So the first thing we do is we arrange the numbers in ascending order. So from smallest ascending, so from smallest up to the highest. So this is your arrangement. So we arrange our data from smallest to highest. So we have 15. Okay, 15 is there. 20, 20 is there. 30, it's there. Another 30, it's there. 35, okay. 45, it's there. 50, okay. 70, it's there. And then 75. Okay, so all numbers are accounted for. So the mean, the formula is the sum of all x divided by n. Now, if we count it here, our n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is equal to 9. So that is equal to the sum 15 plus 20 plus 30 and so on up to 75 divided by n, which is 9. So we get 300 divided by 9, and that gives us a mean of 41.11. So for this data, the average is 41.11. So that's how we get the mean. Now, to get the median, same data, to get the median is the middle value. So if you take a look at the arrangement, we have 4 numbers here, and we have another 4 numbers to the right. So the middle value will be 35. That's why the median, or M sub D, MD is equal to 35. So your median is just the middle value when you arrange your data in ascending order. So you should arrange your data first before you can get the median. Okay. Now the mode is the value that appears most frequently. Okay. Now if you take a look at the mode, let me erase this one. If you take a look at the mode, you take a look at these numbers. Like for example, 15 occurs once, 20 occurred once, 30 on the other hand occurred twice, 35 once, 45 once, 50 once, 70 once, 75 once. So the data with the most number of frequency, or the data that occurs the most number of times, is 30. So that's why your mode is equal to 30. So your median is 35, your mode is equal to 30. Okay, it's that easy. It's just easy. So you just arrange your data first in ascending order, and then take the average by adding all those numbers divided by the number of observations, and then median will be the middle value, and mode will be the number of the data with the highest frequency. Okay, second example. Let us find the mean, median, and mode of the following data. So we have 60, 75, 85, 95, 95, 70, 60, and 45. Now in here, our n is equal to 8. There are 8 observations here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's find the mean. But before we find the mean, let us arrange the data first in ascending order. Okay, so we get 45. Okay, it's there. Okay. Okay. So 45, 60, it's there. 60, it's there. 70, it's there. 75, it's there. 85, it's there. 95, it's there. 95, it's there. Okay. All data are accounted for. So the mean is equal to the formula, sum of all x divided by n. So that is the sum of all these numbers. All these numbers divided by the number of observations, which is 8. So divided by 8, you have 585 divided by 8. That gives us a mean of 73.125. So the average or the mean of this observation is 73.125. Now, to find the median, okay, now take a look at this one. Since there are 8 observations, so we have 4 here and another 4 here. Now to get the mean, you need to find the two middle values. There are two middle values here, that's 70 and 75, the two numbers in the middle. So that your median will be the sum of these numbers, 70 and 75, divided by 2. So 2 here is a constant. So whatever are the two middle values, take the sum divided by 2, you get a median of 72.5. Okay, so that is your median score. Now, to get the mode, this is the value that appears most frequently, the data with the most high number of appearance. So now, we check our data. Now, 60 here occurred twice. On the other hand, 95 also occurred twice. So your mode is 60 and 95. So 60 and 95 are your modes. Now, if you notice in the first example, there is only one mode, one number. So that number, if there's only one mode, we call it unimodal. Now, for here, we call this bimodal. Okay, since there are two modes, so we call this one bimodal. If there are three modes, then we call it trimodal, and so on and so forth. Okay, easy peasy, very easy. Okay, for practice, for our group data. So let us identify the mean, the median, MD, and mode, M sub O, of the following data below. So you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here n equals 11. Okay, your answers, try to check your answers. You should get what happened. Okay, answers are here. So do this one and then try to check if you will get these numbers here. Okay, second one, you have 18, 20, 24, 23, 25, 21, 23, 22, 25, 14, 15, and 18. So there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So n here is equal to, here n will be equal to 12. So your mean is 20.67, median is 21.5, mode is, there are 3. So try to check if you should get these values here. Okay. Now I'm dividing these lectures into two parts, the ungrouped data and the group data. Okay, so if you can check, because I don't have a copy of the book here, but I will be posting something later on. Try to answer these exercises and some of the exercises in the book. Okay, you can check it in the one with the chicken. I don't remember the chapter, but the one with the chicken, that is for ungrouped data. Now the discussion there is quite different. It's quite long, so you go directly to the exercises and follow what we discussed here. So this is the shorter way of finding the mean, median, and mode of ungrouped data. Okay, guys. Now for your questions, just try to comment below in Google Classroom or in the video itself. So I will be uploading this one for you in YouTube, hopefully, and send to you the link. Hopefully the audio now works. Otherwise, I will record this one again. Okay, guys. Please be safe, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.